Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Purelia Liver Supplement review. So, you might be wondering what is Purelia Liver Supplement here that you might be hearing or seeing right now. So, Purelia Complete Liver Support is a liquid dietary supplement marketed for liver health and detox support. Now, according to the official website here, the formula combines what we call L-glutathione, NAC, milk thistle, and dandelion root, artichoke, beetroot, choline, and a proprietary blend containing canca piedra, astragalus, ginger, burdock, and a lot more. Now, if you want to see what are the exact ingredients here, they do list those ingredients inside their website, just in case if you're worried about certain allergies. So yeah, how to exactly use the supplement itself. Now, according to the website here, so the manufacturer directions are quite simple. So you just need to take 2 ml, approximately half a teaspoon, once daily. Now, you can either place the liquid directly under your tongue or mix it into a small amount of water. Each bottle contains around 30 servings, and the company recommends taking it around the same time each day for consistency. Now, Purelia highlights NAC and L-glutathione here as the main component of the formula. The website says NAC is used by the body to produce glutathione, and while glutathione here is described by the company as the important molecule involved in the liver's natural process. It also highlights milk thistle here, which basically, according to them, protects the liver cells from inflammatory damage and scarring that standard medications fail to address. Now, these are claims inside their website. Now, they also include choline, dandelion, and artichoke as the additional ingredients supporting its liver health claims. Now, the company says users may notice changes in energy, bloating during the first 30 days, while its website says liver enzyme improvements typically appear around 60 to 90 days. Now, it recommends consistent use up to like 60 days, and these timelines and benefits are claims from Purelia here, not guaranteed or of individual results here. If you want to learn more about the liver journey that they do have in their website, you could read it further into it in their website. As you can see here now, weeks 1 to 2, 3 to 4, and 5 to 8, and so on. Now, the product here is described as 100% natural, non-GMO, gluten-free, and free of additives. Now, the Purelia here says it is produced in a GMP certified facility and third-party tested for purity and potency. Now, you can also see that in here in their website. So around the how Purelia stacks up section. As you can see, third-party tested and GMP certified. Now, in this case, because this is a liver health supplement and the website specifically mentions use alongside medications, consulting a doctor is or qualified healthcare professional before use or taking it is recommended, especially if you have a diagnosed liver condition or take prescription medication. Now, doing your own research into the ingredients and the manufacturer's directions here is also recommended before use, and maybe reading reviews outside and inside their website is also highly recommended. So just to make sure that you're getting the most out of it, and also just to make sure it's safe for you to use. But yeah, so currently each one bottle here is priced at around $29.99 as of this moment, and you could get bundles like buy two, buy three options, with you getting more discounts the more you are buying. But then again, at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try this specific product here. But again, consult your doctor first if you have any allergies that you may be worried about. But that's about it. Find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.